Welcome back to Junior's Time. Today I'm going to be making KARINA GARCIA's slime. But before we get started, please like and subscribe, please. And hit that notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. So now I'm going to show you what I need to make my slime. I need my water. I need my glue. I need my activator. And I need teaspoon and tablespoon, a bowl, the straw, and the color. Comment down below if it's pink or red, because I think it's mostly pink. So now I'm going to get to making it. First, I need my water, my tablet, the color, and my tablespoon. I need 7 tablespoons and dump it in the water. So now I'm going to put my color tablet into the water and let it dissolve. It's like it's a fizzy. And now that it's dissolving, you can see what color. So you guys were only commenting. So if you commented for red, then I guess that you were white. So now that my little tablet is done dissolving, I'm going to go ahead and actually get the glue. 3 tablespoons of glue. That seems like enough. So I did one, now I'm going to do the other. Now one more. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. Get that off there. Now I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of colored water. That splattered almost out of it. Last one. That's good. Okay, now I'm going to do 3 teaspoons of activator. Now I'm going to close my activator. Then I'm going to start mixing. I don't know what side to use. I'm just going to start mixing. Let's see what happens. Would it turn to glue or would it not? Comment down below if you think it's going to turn into glue. But my hands are, because glue is getting all over it. I don't think this thing is working, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my hands. Maybe that will work better. Ooh, it's warm, but sticky. Ugh, it feels so weird. It feels like dough, but ugh. So cold and wet. It feels so cold. It feels like gel right here. Oh my god, put that back in. It's kind of turning a little bit red. Yep. It's like a falling noise when you squeeze it. Ugh. That's gross. But it is stretchy. It doesn't look like the little tablet is mixed. The little color is mixing into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it down and just mix it around like this. Or maybe I should add more color to it. Maybe, or maybe not. It looks more like red than the powder white, but I guess it is. But it's turning also more to blue a little bit. It's like just scrubbing something. Like when you're washing the dishes, you're just... It's actually getting stuck to me a little. That just went somewhere, I don't know where that went. It was under my fingernail. It feels so cold under here. But it's actually pretty warm. Get the glue off me and the slime. It's actually kind of like putty. Comment down below if you have putty at your house. Because I do. But mine's stuck with hair. So it doesn't look like it really turned out like slime. It's more like putty. But it does not smell good. Never smell it, please don't. But I want to try something. I tried this once with putty and it didn't really work. So how about we try it with the slime kind of putty. That did not work. It's just like, wait, I want to do something. I was about to do something, but it won't. Okay, let's see if this works. You're supposed to make a bubble right in the middle, but it didn't really work. And it's not that stretchy. It just whips right in half. Wait, I'm gonna make a snowman if it works. So it's actually kind of pinkish, though. Gonna make a little ball for the bottom. Use this, the other one. Yes, and then this goes on top. Looks more like a mushroom.
Looks like a pile of poo.
Wait, you want me to make one? Let's see if I can do it. What you have to do to make a pile of doo-doo, I guess, you roll it like this on the table. it was a big long piece. Now it's actually stretched now. Hey. Kind of stretch it a little bit. Then, what you do, here's comes the funny part. Make a little circle at the bottom. Then you go on top of it, on top of it, on top of it. Just keep on doing circles. But little, and then you do a little point at the top. To do. And there's also fake poop. Now that's what I call fart noise. I hope you guys like hanging out with me, and I hope you guys like making KARINA GARCIA slime with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before leaving, and comment down below if you made KARINA GARCIA slime before, and if it worked out good or bad, if it turned out like this or like slime. Bye!